Hi, hello and welcome to AdRob Claim channel. In this video, I will show you how to earn BitTorrent tokens by using BitTorrent AdRob. And now let's see a small intro about BitTorrent project. BitTorrent intends to serve the future encrypted economy society. It's a blockchain project that consolidates a blockchain environment with cutting-edge security. The main feature of BitTorrent token is payment solution of various giant e-commerce institutions. That being said, let's see the steps to claim BitTorrent token by using BitTorrent AdRob. To claim the BitTorrent tokens, click the link that is given in the description. It will redirect you to the BitTorrent AdRob claiming page. Here you can see the BitTorrent AdRob logo and description. Now scroll down, you can see the AdRob verification details. The AdRob claim team verified the technology, idea, scope and white paper of the BitTorrent project. Now you can see the steps it's given below. Some required tools are given. It's on Telegram, Twitter, Medium, Facebook and a Binance Smart Chain address. And we are going to complete this registration process by using AdRobot. So click the AdRobot option that is in green color. It will redirect you to the AdRobot page. Here click the start option. After clicking the start option, the bot will send you a welcome address. Now you can see 4 options given below. Click the AdRob option. It's in first. Click the AdRob option. After clicking the AdRob option, the AdRob details will be given. And now click the join AdRob option. After this, you can see the task to complete in this bot. So the first task is we have to join the Telegram group. Click the Telegram group option. It will redirect you to the group. Click the join group option to join this group. After this, go back to the bot. Here you can see the Telegram channel option. It's the second step. Click the Telegram channel option to join the Telegram group, Telegram channel. After joining, go back to the bot. Here we have to join the Twitter page of BitTorrent. So click the Twitter option and open the Twitter page. It will redirect you to the Twitter page. Here you can see the option called follow. Click the follow option to follow this page. After following, now scroll down, you can see the pinned tweet. In this pinned tweet, there will be a retweet option is given. Click the retweet option. In this retweet option, there will be 2 options. So click the quote tweet option. After this, you can write what you think about this AdRob. I am typing as it's nice AdRob. And you have to tag 3 persons and click the tweet option to tweet this tweet. After tweeting, go back to the AdRob page. Here we have to join the Facebook page of BitTorrent. So click the Facebook option. It will redirect you to the Facebook page. Here follow this page. After following, go back to the AdRobot page. Now we have to follow the Medium page of BitTorrent. So click the Medium option. It will redirect you to the Medium page of BitTorrent. Here you can see option called follow. Click the follow option to follow the Medium page. After following, go back to the AdRobot page. And now once you completed all the tasks correctly, click the continue option that is in below. After clicking the continue option, you have to enter your Telegram username. Enter your Telegram username correctly and click the enter option to send it. After sending, you have to enter your Twitter username. Enter your Twitter username correctly and click the send option to send it. After entering your Twitter username, you have to enter your Binance Smart Chain address. Enter your Binance Smart Chain address correctly and click the enter option to send it. After this, you have to click the submit option given below. After clicking submit option, the registration process has been completed. And you can see I have earned 20 BitTorrent tokens and my referral link is given. You can use your referral link to refer your friends. For each referral, you can earn 5 BitTorrent tokens. So use the link to invite your friends. And now we are at the end of the video. It's the time to see the distribution details of this AdRob. For the distribution details, you have to join the Telegram channel of adrobclaim.in. The Telegram channel link is given in the description and also it is in the website. You can use those links to join this Telegram channel. In this Telegram channel, they are posting about AdRob details, AdRob distribution details, fast claiming AdRobs and also faucet details. Join this Telegram channel to earn more cryptocurrencies. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. And we posting tutorials to claim AdRobs almost every day. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell symbol. It will help us to notify you every time we post a video about AdRob. And we meet up on tomorrow on next video. And then bye from Hari. Thanks for watching.